Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Habitat. Today we will be looking at the second chapter, acids, bases and salts. So first we will look into what is an acid. Any substance that tastes sour in water and turns blue liquidness into red is termed as acid. So example for acid is citric acid. And next, what is a base? Any substance that is bitter and turns red liquidness into blue is termed as a base. Example of a base is your soap. And what is a salt? When acid and base combine, they give salt plus water molecule. So this is the salt. Example of salt is NaCl. So today we will be looking at the types of indicators. So there are three types of indicators: natural, synthetic and olfactory. In natural indicators which are present in the nature, we can indicate whether the substance is acid or base. The best example can be your litmus. So when the litmus turns, blue litmus turns red, then it is acidic. And when red litmus turns blue, it is base. So this is how you can detect whether the substance is acidic or basic. And a best example for a natural indicator is turmeric. Then we go to the synthetic indicators that we use in the laboratories. For example, phenolphthalein, methyl orange, all these are chemicals that help in the indication of acids and bases. Next is olfactory indicators. Olfactory indicators is based on the odor. For example, olive oil that we use can help us indicate whether it is an acid or a base. Next, the chemical properties of acids and bases. So the first chemical property today we will be looking at is a reaction of metals with acids and bases. What happens when metals react with acids and bases? So this is the metal reacting with an acid or a base. It will give you a salt. So S means it is a salt molecule and this is your hydrogen. Okay. So metal plus acid gives you salt plus hydrogen. And then metal plus base gives you salt plus hydrogen. This is a chemical reaction that happens between metals and acids and bases. So next reaction we will be looking at metal carbonates. So Mc here is a metal carbonate. When it reacts with acid, it gives you salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. So base usually do not react with metal carbonates. So only acids react to form salt, carbon dioxide and water molecule. Next reaction is acids. How acids and base react with each other. If you remember, I told you when acids and base combine together to give you salt molecule and a H2O molecule. So whenever an acid and a base reacts with each other, they produce a salt. The next reaction is metal oxide. When metal oxide reacts with acids, metal oxide plus acid will give you salt plus H2O. So here also you are getting a salt when metal oxide is reacted with an acid. The next reaction is non-metal oxide reacts with base. So where non-metal oxide, this is your non-metal oxide, when it reacts with the base, it gives you salt and H2O. These are the reactions that we will look at. And then acids in water solution. What happens when acids fall in water solution? So your H plus is an acid. When it reacts with water, it gives you H3O plus. Okay? Next thing that we will be looking at is the pH. pH is potency of hydrogen. It helps us detect whether the substance is acidic or basic. pH above 7 is basic and below 7 is acidic. pH equal to 7 is neutral. So pH is very important for all the detection systems in our body. So for example, today's class we learned all the definitions, what is an acid, base and salt. And then we looked into the different types of indicators and the properties, chemical properties. We looked into 6 chemical properties of acid.